Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Data Analyst. Today we are going to see 20th day of 30 day SQL challenge, and also we are going to look into a new SQL platform which is commonly used to solve a SQL questions. Let's see what are the questions they have. In the view section you can see they're having a number of questions which starts from AC level, after that goes to medium, as well as the end is R level. Today we are going to see one of the questions from this platform. Maybe in future we are also going to solve a couple of questions from this platform. Before moving into that, if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. It motivates me to create a content like that. Okay guys, let's see what they're asking for. Show all the patients grouped into weight groups. Show all the total amount of patients in each weight group. Order the list by the weight group descending. For example, if they weight 100 to 109, they are placed in 100. Or else, if they range between 110 to 119, which means 119, they should be mentioned as 110 weight group. Okay, I got it what they're asking for. Before solving this question, what we need to know is what are the different type of, what are the weight we are having, what are the distinct type of weights we are having. For that I'm going to just select distinct of weight from which table we are having a patients. Okay. Okay, we are having a number of weight categories. Okay, for that what I'm going to do is I'm going to order them by weight. Okay, right now we got some weights. Actually we have all the category weights. Okay, I'm going to next. Okay, we are having 1 to 1 from number 1 to 142. Okay, this much of categories we do have in this weight. Okay, let's see the coding part. I'm going to remove this select section. Okay, actually I do have some kind of solution for this. I'm going to split up this question into two solutions. One is the lengthy process. If you guys want to see the short process, I'm going to split the video in two sections. You guys can straightly go forward to that. The first one is the lengthy process. Usually some beginners go forward into this process. This process also give them a kind of elaborative manner. Usually what we will do is we need to group them in, we need to group those weight in a particular group category, right? So for that what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a case function. I'm going to have a tab over here, case when weight greater than or equal to 1 and weight lesser than or equal to 9. Because what they say is, let's assume this is 1 and this is 9. Okay, so this is how we need to do 100 to 109. If it comes under those category, we need to assign them as 100. So in this case we need to assign them as 0 because they comes under category of from 1 to 9, right? So that's why when weight greater than or equal to 10 and weight lesser than or equal to 19, for time's sake what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this process in Excel format. I'm going to just copy these values. Don't worry guys, it will work. Excel and 10 and weight lesser than or equal to. Okay, now we got all the values for the code. Okay, I'm going to copy this one and instead of this I'm going to paste it right over here. What I'm going to do is just select this one and give a tab. It will align it properly. After that, I'm going to check this once, okay, whether all the values are been properly inserted or not. Okay, 0. For formatting wise, I'm going to do some this indentation. Okay. Okay guys, I think everything is correct. After that, what we need to do is we need to end the value, right? End the case statement. End as weight group from patients. Okay. This will act as a kind of subquery. So what we need to do is we need to give another select statement. Before that, select count of. What I'm going to do is I'm going to assign this table the name of table TBL, and I'm going to close this open and close this bracket from the below one, and count of table dot weight group. I'm going to copy this one instead of typing it. Weight group as patients in group and comma table dot weight group. This is how we need this one, because we need the count number of weights per weight group, as well as we need the weight category weight, right? So that's why we are doing it, and we need to group them, group by table dot weight group. And finally, what they're expecting is they need to order them by weight group, but in descending manner. Okay, yes guys, I think we have done this code. Okay, let's see how the code works. Yeah, yeah, we got it. We got the output. Actually, this is the output they are expecting. Each and every patient group, like this is the right RHS patient group, they want the value. What are the patients count over here? Okay guys, this is the code for the first scenario. I'm going to write a code for second one. Don't worry, I'm going to give this code in the description box. Don't worry. For again, I'm going to select the same question. The reason is this platform won't work like that. I'm going to select this. Okay, the second format is, what we need to do is we are going to do the group by statement in the same part itself. We are going to count the value of all as patients in group, and what for calculating the patient which group they are assigned, right? I'm going to use a floor function which is inbuilt in SQL. I'm going to divide the weight by 10, because for example you can say if the weight having the value of the weight is 96, means if I divide by 10 is like what we can say, the floor value will be 6, right? So after that, what I'm going to do is do the same. Sorry guys, if divided if 10 if 96 divided by somewhat we can say 86 divided by 10, the value is 8.6, right? Some kind of value like this, 8.6. So if we take the floor value of this, means definitely it will give our value of 8. So I'm going to again multiply the output with 10. So if we are multiplying, means we will get the value as 80. The same scenario we can take it as 77 divided by 10. It will give some value 7.7. The 7.7 floor value is 7, and finally we will get the value as 70. This is how we can calculate a group. Very simple way and efficient way also. from patients, and finally we are going to group them by same weight group. We are going to do the group by process in this step itself, and order by same weight group in descending manner. Let's remove this, we don't need this. Yeah, for this also we got an. Let's see in the next challenge. Bye bye.